Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are a returning subscriber, then you already know what this video is about. I am on a 100-pound weight loss journey, and this is going to be week 1 weigh-in results. I actually weighed myself a couple of days ago, and I'm just now getting a minute to sit down and kind of talk with you guys. But I did want to come in and just kind of share with you guys kind of how the week went. You know, some wins, you know, that I experienced, and then some things that I'm going to change for the next week to kind of keep it going. I also want to do my measurements again. I know it's just the first week, but I do feel like that I'm a lot less bloated. You know, so I do feel like I might have lost a couple inches somewhere, but we'll see. So I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to pop in. I'm actually going to go and work out after this. So let's just get right into it. I am officially down, I believe it's 5 pounds. I'll put like a little screenshot of my weigh-in. I am 234, and I started off at 239. If you guys didn't watch the original weigh-in video, if not, make sure you go check that out too. I want to do my measurements just to see, you know, if I lost any inches. I cannot right now remember what I was before, so I'll compare the two videos, and then I'll like put the difference of the measurements on the screen for you guys. And while I kind of do this, I'm just going to talk, like I said, because I don't want this to be too long. So one of my biggest wins this week is, like I said, is that I feel a lot less bloated. And for me, that's like so important for me. I hate that feeling. I'm sure everybody does, but I hate the feeling of waking up in the morning and, you know, you just feel like just stuffed, kind of. You know, you can feel that something in your digestive system isn't, you know, working the way that it should be. So for my waist, it's showing up as 35. I want to say it was 36. Like I said, I'll put it on the screen, but I'm okay with that. I'm good with that. My bust. Also, if you didn't watch the previous video, each weigh-in video, I'm going to pretty much have like the same similar things on, just because I want accurate results as far as the measurements. Also, I weigh myself first thing in the morning because, you know, I don't want any water or coffee or anything, you know, changing the scale. So, my bust is looking like 40.5 right now. So, and then I think, what else did I do? I think I did my arms, which I don't really expect a huge difference right now, just because I know that it takes time. Another win that I had was that I told myself in the first video that I was going to work out every day. So I actually committed to that. I feel like it's a little loose. I'm trying to... This is like the hardest measurement to take by yourself. Maybe I'll do it up here. I think like 15 and a half I'm gonna go with. So yeah, so measurements are done. So 15 and a half for my arms. Waist was, I believe it was 34. I'll go back. 34, and then the bust was 40.5 or 39.5. I'm sorry, guys. I'll get it together. I promise I'll put it all on the screen. But I actually wrote a couple things down because I didn't want to forget. Workout every day was one of my wins. I was able to eat, I would say like 80% clean. I did find myself, just having some cravings, seeing the kids eating some stuff and, wanting to take a bite of something that they might have had, or as I was cooking, I make a lot of spaghetti because, the kids are so picky. So, wanting to have a little taste of the pasta or whatever, which is also gonna kind of go into one of my improvements that I'm gonna make for the next week. On my first video, I mentioned that I'm not going keto. If you guys don't know what that is, I'll link a video below. But I said that I'm going low carb. If you don't know, I am doing pretty much low carb but healthy carbs. So pretty much I'm only really allowing myself to have fruit, vegetables for my carbs. So and then everything else is just, I can have protein, whatever type of meat or stuff like that. So I am going to, I think this next week, start keto, just because I feel like I'm having, like I said, some cravings. And I know that's normal, for like your first week to have cravings, and because you're going from eating whatever you want to kind of like telling yourself I can't have that, so it's normal. But I just feel like for me, I don't know, something is just telling me that I need to go back keto. So I am going to start that this next week, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, this journey is going to be up and down. So who knows? I might start it and I might say, nope, I'm going back to regular low carb because I need my fruit or whatever. With keto, it would be more so cut the fruit and just keep with the vegetables, the salads and things like that. And I'll talk more about that in another video. And then another thing that I'm also going to work on this next week is more strength training. I've been very, very consistent with my cardio. I've even started using the treadmill that I have in the garage a lot more, instead of, waiting around and making getting out the house and going to the gym a priority. It has been really easy just going out there. We actually cleaned up the garage, and so I kind of have like a setup where it's like a gym area now. So it just makes it a lot easier just to go out there and get a quick workout. Not a quick workout, because I'm out there for, like a good 30 minutes to an hour. But I will say I do want to make sure that I'm prioritizing my strength training too, because I do want a toned body. I don't want just to look smaller. I want to have the muscle underneath, once the weight comes off. So that is a big thing for me. So I am going to really start prioritizing that a little more. I haven't figured out exactly what yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I didn't want to make this too long. So I will see you guys on the next video next week. Drop down in the comment section below if you guys have any, like tips for me, or, just, wish me good luck if you're new here and you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.